Hi guys, today we will talk about how to help friend register on your WeChat app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just click to chat for your friends. We will click here on this chat for example, and you come here to this window. You just click here on account, and it's going to show for you window like this. And you click here on verify friends registering. Then you come to next window here. You just come to this window and you enter here a friend mobile number, and you click here on submit, and it's going to give you code, or it's going to give code to your friends, and he go to send to you this code, and you add it, and it's going to help your friends register WeChat on your WeChat app. So that's all you have to do to help your friends to register WeChat. You just follow these ways, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.